If you are looking for ideas to entertain your children, then this is a really great idea. It's for ages 3 plus, and it doesn't have the doll to play, but it has all the cutters, like this one, like a pizza cutter, the knife. It has this one too. I want to mention it has also rolls if you're planning to make pizza or something like that. It has different shapes and it has little flowers. So there's plenty of here to develop those motor skills, not only by grabbing, like for example, the teddy bear, but also making the teddy bear with the different Play-Dohs and things like that. So it also has these molds that you press and you can like see do a 3D dinosaur. This is what it is, or an alligator. So other than that, this is very good getting them off the screens and having them play with all these different shapes and cutters and different molds to work with their fingers. 3 ages plus, excellent thing to have at home for them to have fun with the toys.